Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Little Fingers. I hope you all have a good week so far. And this week I am excited to share with you the DIY project I've done. I will show you the process I went through in replacing the screen and battery of an iPhone 6. So just in case you are interested to do the same DIY project, I advise you to wear safety glasses and gloves if you are working with the broken screen, and make sure to gather all the tools and materials like spudger, P2 pentalobe screwdriver, suction handles, opening tools like pick, and then tweezers, the 000 Phillips screwdriver, and battery adhesive strips. Also, I find it very helpful when you put adhesive tapes on the broken screen, just to avoid any accident. And you have to make sure that the broken screens are intact, because those glasses can hurt you bad. I've done it. I've experienced that in the past, and it doesn't forget. So as you can see, you have to remove the two screws right underneath the home button using the P2 pentalobe screwdriver. Once you remove those two screws, it will be easy for you to work out on the screen, remove the screen using the suction handles by removing it, and then once it opens a little bit, you can work or use the spudger or the picks and work it out all around. Just be careful not to open up the screen all the way, or avoid breaking your cables. So you have to remove the covers of the cable by removing the screws in it, and then make sure to remove the battery connectors first before you work on the cables of your screen. After you remove the covers, you can use your spudger by disconnecting the cables of your screen. Once done, you can start working with your battery. In removing the battery, you have to remove two battery adhesive strips, and for me, I have tried like 3 times before I perfectly or successfully remove the adhesive strips. So in removing the adhesive strips, you have to be patient. Yep, you can use the spudger or the tweezers if you like, by rolling all the remaining adhesive strips in the back of your battery. So you have to slowly pull the adhesive strips so it won't break. I found a trick in doing so by rolling the adhesive through my tweezers slowly by slowly, and doing the same thing with the second adhesive strips. So the only trick that works for me is using the tweezers and rolling or pulling the strip slowly. So if you're not patient enough to slowly roll and pull the adhesive strips of your battery, you will end up breaking these batteries, so you have to really be careful with it. After successfully removing the broken screen and the battery, I've tested the new battery and the screen, and after the test I found out that the the new set of battery and screen are working fine. So I've started installing the new battery and the screen. So I left the new screen connected to the phone while I put adhesive strips to the new battery, and once I get done putting adhesive to it, I double check the connections and see if the new phone screen and the battery works well. So after that, if things go well, close the phone and put the P2 screws in it, and there you go. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a good week. Bye for now.